Hi, my name is Mike Rose, and I'm a professor in the chemistry department at the University of Texas at Austin. Today, I'd like to tell you about a new and exciting outreach program that we're developing called H2 from H2O. The program is designed to bring hands-on water splitting as an experiment directly into the hands of high school chemistry and middle school science students. One of the biggest challenges facing our society and scientists today is our ever-growing need for energy and to preserve the environment that we live in. All of our natural resources, both renewable and non-renewable, are derived from our environment, and the challenge now and in the future is to make sure that they last without harming the planet. The combustion, or burning, of fossil fuels produces carbon dioxide, or CO2. This includes the burning of gasoline and natural gas that occurs in our cars, buses, and homes. CO2 is the main culprit in causing the climate change that most scientists believe that we're beginning to experience. Alternatively, when hydrogen gas, or H2, is burned, which means it reacts with oxygen in the air, the only product is water, or H2O. This process is carbon-free, so if we could safely generate this renewable fuel, it would preserve our environment and produce less CO2. So, what does all of this have to do with our outreach program, H2 from H2O? Well, H2 gas is a fuel source that can be generated directly from water, H2O. We can generate H2 from H2O through a process driven by electricity known as electrolysis. In this process, a voltage is applied across two electrodes in an aqueous solution. If the voltage is high enough, then the H2O molecules split into their elemental components, H2 and O2. The only byproduct of this process is oxygen, O2, which we all breathe every day. When doing the experiment, take special note of the amount of H2 and O2 formed. Later on, this will serve as a helpful tool to help analyze the reaction when you begin the experiment. Thank you for taking the time to let us bring this experiment to you. I hope you enjoyed this experiment and learning about chemistry. In the next video, we'll talk a bit about how to perform the H2 from H2O experiment and how to make H2 and O2 from water.